This is the Sarah Roane landscape enhancement job. We're at the front of her house right now. A couple of items on this project. We're doing a catch basin install, which is going to be installed at the end of her driveway. Walking down here. So our goal is to install this catch basin in this muddy area right here to try to stop some of this water flow that's going down into her backyard. And then I want to try to terminate it on the other side of her fence. In the back, you'll see some large elaeagnus at the very end of the concrete patio. We're going to rejuve prune those, so I want to cut them down really hard, get them down to about 3 feet by 3 feet or so, cut all the foliage off to get them down to a manageable size. So walking up to the front of the house now, where we're going to install some new shrubs. I know the design shows liriope, but that's been taken out, so we're not doing that anymore. But we are installing some distillium, so we're going to take out these Carissa hollies in the back and install some distillium. And then I've got some gardenias and spirea going where these Japanese hollies are now. And then we've got some spirea and gardenia for this side as well. So we're going to take out these round hollies in the front, but we're going to leave that hedge. So the hedge is staying, the short hollies are being taken out. We can go ahead and prune that a little bit, tighten it up. And then around the corner, I've got a large camellia that's going to be going in the corner. And then I've got some distillium for this side of the house as well. And then she wants these figs taken out. So we're going to dig these figs up and try to dig them up well enough that she can put them in a pot if she wants to. We can cut them hard. So I would cut a lot of it off and then get them down to a manageable size so you can transplant them. I also want to cut this tree down, just flush cut it to the ground and remove it. All this is going to get pine needled. We're also going to install a drip irrigation system for the plant material that we're installing and set it up for her so that it's irrigated. And then we are removing this juniper, just flush cut. And then everything's going to get pine needled afterwards.